Can't touch this.
Yeah, yeah.
You can't touch this.
Yeah.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and to hype beat. It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the old town and I'm known as such. And this is a beat that you can't touch.
I like to move it, move it. 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 I like to